sticks out of the way, actually go down the hole and stick there. And then you can't move it.
You've had Patrick round?
Yes, I've had Patrick round, and this is the shape he wants. So we've redrawn it, and that's the shape he wants. And I haven't got the space here, so I'll file it to shape and put it up there. Might be able to get it there. Or don't crawl through the net. I'll get more of the corner off. I'll file that there. Yeah, so I've had to change the shape, so he's ended up with a dip there after all. I knew I would have to end up with that shape. I've cut that one down as well, I've cut them in. That's what he wants and that's what he's going to get. So that's roughly the shape he wants. He's got a knob now. Yeah. So they've always called a guitar a dick extension, haven't they, anyway? So this one is.
Amazing, maybe he wouldn't have requested like a bit of a sort of a...
You know, he wants a dick.
A reduction of the length. You know, he's got the girth. And he's got the length, but too long.
Well, yes, it should. That should be that side, really, in all seriousness, but it isn't. So I think we're.
Didn't want the Paduke.
No, we didn't want that.
But the customer is king, Doug.
Customer is king. I didn't actually give him an option.
What do you mean?
I didn't let him see the Paduke. I just did this because that's what he asked for. It's nice, anyway. It's figured and stuff. Got to put some dots in next.
So when did he come round?
Tuesday, I think. Tuesday.
Yesterday.
What day is it today? Wednesday?
Yeah.
Monday.
Monday. Yeah. What were his exact words?
Well, he just wanted that, and he wanted them two shapes, and he wanted that cutting inwards.
Yeah.
And that was it. And very round.
Oh, like sort of very smooth, sort of...
no, very round.
What do you mean?
Very more round in them. More even rounder in there.
Oh really? More sort of exaggerated?
Yeah.
Like
more shaped like a woman.
You should have got Gaudi into design it.
Eh?
You can't say that.
I just did.
No, you can't.
Dave's got a point.
I'm going now, you've offended me. I'm going to set up the corner with Gary Lineker. I'm offended.
Alright.
Yeah.
He's had his £2 today, hasn't he?
Has he been offended today?
Yeah, Gary
No.
Lineker.
Apparently his boss is talking to him.
He's offended everybody.
Yeah. Oh, bath time. Oh, sorry. Right then, what else is going on, Doug, with the Patrick's bass?
Well, I'm going to, like you've just seen, I'm going to now have to shape it by hand.
Oh yeah. I'm going to just throw that on the floor. Let's just do that, eh? There you go.
So.
A clamp job, eh?
Yeah.
It's a nice bit of figuring up the edge, though, isn't it?
Sorry?
That's a nice bit of figuring there.
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah. Let's rasp.
Take it you want some tarmac in there, does it?
I don't have to be careful either with the rasp, because it will take out little pieces of the edge.
Take your head off. Listen, tell us about the rasp. What kind of rasp is it?
Fucking roughing.
Is it like is a rasp or
No, no. These are kind of rasps you commercially buy. You know, down like the Aldi or somewhere, you know, a local shop. And they're very good, but they're just too rough.
Too rough.
They don't stay sharp long enough.
Okay, so what's the
I've had this one 40 years.
So it's just a bit worn out, is it?
This isn't, no. But that one, I mean, I don't use that much.
So what's the difference between the Old Faithful and the
Look how
cheap
fine,
shite?
how many little tangs there are compared to them little things. They're just knocked in, aren't they? And they form a, you know, they just knock bits of metal out of the actual mass, don't they? It sticks up.
Yeah.
Well, they don't last
Okay, so it's more
very
sort
long.
of, more
These are much better,
more
made.
refined. Yeah.
Yeah, more refined. I mean, that has lost its sharpness
What make
over
is
the
that?
years.
What make is it?
I've no idea. Nicholson.
Nicholson.
Yeah. Made in Canada.
Oh.
Yeah. Like I say, I don't have to worry about the edge at the back coming off.
I wonder where it's made in Canada.
Well, it's a big country, you'll have to look it up somewhere. But I had some beautiful wood from Canada a few years ago from Vedder sawmills. And Vedder, V-E-D-D-E-R, Vedder sawmills.
Yeah.
And I've no idea if they're still in business or anything. But every match pair they sent me was absolutely beautiful.
You're going to need a more acute diameter rasp for that sort of
That?
bit there, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm glad you told me because I wouldn't have known, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, what have you broken now? Oh, leave it, I'll get it later.
The shelf,
No,
the
I
shelf's been six.
Yeah, I'll get that now, though.
I don't think. Where did it fall from?
That one was in there. I don't know that fella. This is a very old trusty surf phone.
Another Old Faithful.
Well, no, it's not that old, of course.
Well, let's see this rasp then, Doug. Come on, show it.
I've just been doing the bloody rasping.
Show the users, the viewers, your rasp.
That's the rasp.
No, that one you're using there.
This is a surf phone.
They can't show it you
surf-
before 9
well-
o'clock.
These are British.
Stanley, that is.
Stanley, yeah, made by Stanley.
Right. Okay. Very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's dead now, poor bug.
What's it called again? A.
Surf phone.
Oh, that's very, very good. Yeah. How long have you owned this?
That, I've had that for forever. It's another 40-year-old faithful. But the cutter's new.
Okay, so it looks pretty new. Yeah.
They just screw in.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The big screw there.
So it's like what's his name's?
Trigger's brush.
What's his name's brush? Yeah, Trigger's brush. Yeah.
Trigger's brush, yeah.
Had it 40 years, it's had 5 handles and 7 plates.
It's very good, the surf foam is. They do new files nowadays. I don't know what they're called, the sharper though.
Okay, so
Supposedly.
what's so much better about the new ones?
I don't know, I've not seen them. I've not seen them in the flesh, but
Apart from the marketing,
marketing. Yeah,
which
probably be
tells
that.
you they are better.
Yeah, I don't use these
End of
for
story.
guitar building, these ones. I just bought them on a whim one day, thought they might come in handy. There was a kit of them. And I do use that one sometimes.
Okay, yeah, very small diameter.
Yeah.
There's a tiny one there. Look, that one there.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a nice one.
That's not a rasp.
No, it's not a rasp.
Yeah.
That's really good, that is. There's 2 rasps.
Yeah, very, very good.
Yeah.
I think this will probably do. It's good.
But this rasp,
Oh,
this is, and that one. I bought these. They're both Nicholson. Yes, definitely Nicholson, made in Canada.
Okay. Yeah.
That's a finer one.
Yeah.
That's for finer finishing after you've used this one. And then I worked my way down to these kind of files then. These really, you get like in woodworking classes at school, but the stubs, that's a metal cutting rasp.
Oh really?
But it's nice for fine finishing on wood. So I use that for wood.
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't think I'll wear that one out ever because I don't use it on metal. But I prefer to use these. I've got machines I could sandal these things down with.
Yeah.
That. Mind you, I can't get round to that.
No, surely you can't.
Don't call me Shirley.
Use a machine to get in there.
I've got that one that will get in there.
What's that? Oh, this thing here.
It takes different sizes.
Yeah. Yeah, but look at that. It's on a bench.
What?
How would you get that in there?
This fits in there quite easily, but it's not in that corner.
Hmm.
See, I've got some. The workshop is too small for the tools,
Yeah.
so I end up on the bench most of the time just working by hand, which I don't mind.
You need a bigger shed.
I've always needed a bigger shed, but when I had a bigger shed, I needed a smaller shed to get my sanity back. I had 10,000 square foot, didn't I, with my factory, the last one. It's a marvellous way of losing money, though.
It's only money, Doug.
Well, it isn't when you run out of it. It's a lifeline then, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, let's be honest, you had so little money, you bought your house with cash.
And?
Well, you weren't exactly broke, were you?
No, I've not been broke since I was bankrupt.
I've not been broke since I was bankrupt. You probably weren't even broke when you were bankrupt. Doug,
I think you find I probably was. But that's another life, another...
It's all those ladies of the night you used to give free drinks to when you had the pub.
Yeah.
Was it when you... Did you go bankrupt when you had the pub?
Yeah.
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 Well, that's definitely another video, yeah. Right, Doug, so let's say, let's sign off from Patrick's video, yeah? Part 3.
Yes. Yeah. I think that's becoming the sight shape he wants though now.
Yeah.
Just finesse different things. When you feel a lump, sand it off or shave it off.
So how about the word au revoir?
Alright, fuck off.